we start to crochet from the chain, but first of all you have to leave a little tail. Please leave a little tail. Then I make a chain and we start. Well, for the small flower I will be using 45 chains. So here we have 45 chains. Then we skip 3 chains, and on the third, 4th chain from the hook you crochet a 4 double crochet. One, 2, 3, and 4. Then we make 3 chains, and into the same loop we are making a slip stitch. This is the start of our flower. The next step is we make a slip stitch into the next stage. And here we crochet 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we make a slip stitch into the same stitch we started. Slip stitch. So this is the main crochet motif. The next, you repeat these loops all over the chain. So for the next, we are making a slip stitch into the next stitch. Again, slip stitch. Again, 7 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finish it into the same loop with a slip stitch. So, and again we're making a slip stitch into the next stitch, and again making a 7 chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, and finish it into the same loop with a slip stitch. So, and you repeat it all over the chain till the end, and this yarn will be curl naturally. So I'm almost finished, and into the last chain I'm making a slip stitch. Here we go, and I cut the yarn. And pull over. So I leave these tails then to tie this flower to the main composition. So this is the length when you make a 45 chains. This is the color from 45 chains. I want to show you a flower from 58 chains. How looks the flower from 62 chains. Here we go. You can imagine you may create flowers from any colors and any size and any quantity you like. The next step, I will show you how to crochet leaves. I will show you how to crochet these leaves. So we start by leaving. We have to leave a little tail. So I will start to crochet from here, making a loop, making a chain, tightening chain, and we start to crochet from 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the second stitch from the hook you crochet slip stitch, slip stitch, a single crochet, then 2 half double crochet, 1, and the second half double crochet, 2, the next single crochet, and a slip stitch. This is the half of our leaf. So first of all, we crochet the right side of leaves, and then you come back and crochet the second side of leaf. So these distances between the leaves you can make any size you like. I just crochet random quantity. I crochet the quantity of stitches between leaves. For example, it will be 5 chains. 3, 4, 5. Then to crochet a leaf from this point, I have to crochet 7 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be a leaf, and we crochet it from a slip stitch, single crochet, 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2, then again single crochet and a slip stitch, and then you can continue and make these chains how do you like. Then we crochet backwards. So for this petal we can leave it as it is. For example, I'll make it another loop, as here we have. So we are making 7 chains. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then as usual slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, another half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, and we connect it into the loop of our first leaf with a slip stitch. So now we have 2 leaves. So the next we have to slip stitch till this leaf, making a slip stitches. We have to make a slip stitch into the loop of our first leaf, and from this point we will crochet a second leaf. We need to crochet 7 chains, 4, 5, 6, 7. And make a second leaf. So slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, first, then the second half double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitch. And to finish we need to crochet another slip stitch into this loop. So here where we have and we have to continue till the end. So when we have enough petals and flowers, I'm going to make our garland. So I will leave these to make a corner, something like this, and it will be the length of my garland. So and I will connect my flowers to this point. Here is, for example, something like that, making this coral flowers here. Here I want to connect some leaves. So, and to connect my flowers to this garland, I just need to make a knot here. Just making a knot. And tighten a knot. Oh, hi brilliance. So in here our final result. You can make any quantity of flowers and leaves and make your beautiful garland. Here we go. Please like this video. If you like my video, please subscribe and like this video.